Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Sir, please may I know your name?
I'm Professor Campbell.
Professor, bring the camera close. Say, sir, what's your name, sir?
Professor Campbell.
Professor. Okay, it's not easy to stand before a professor. I really appreciate you for consulting Brave Integrated Farms Limited, consulting me to come and teach you on palm weevil larvae production. So, what can you say about the breeding, our teaching and?
Yeah, it's just straight to the point and well understood.
Okay.
And it's a very simple technique that anybody can understand if the thing is taught practically. But if it is online, at times one can get confused. So in most cases, it's better for one to invite the teacher to learn, through practice. So you will not be able to forget all that have been taught.
Okay. What made you to have interest on this palm weevil larvae? Because it's no longer a common agro venture. What brought about the interest? What made you to be interested in wanting to learn about palm weevil larvae?
Yeah, the issue of protein source, animal protein source is becoming a problem, mostly in the agricultural sector. So I discovered that most of the investment made is in agriculture. Most of them are in food, food aspects.
Okay.
And for one to have high productivity in animal production, there must be already source of protein. Yes. And most of the plant protein doesn't contain most of the essential amino acids like lysine.
Okay.
But I discovered that one can mass produce the larvae, which can supply the lysine and also other essential amino acids, which will now reduce the level of production or the cost of production in those animal production, including fish production.
So, if I understand what you said, you have learned this thing to really help you a lot, right?
Yes.
It will help you in other aspects apart from normal eating.
No, in fact, in actual fact, I didn't learn it just to eat.
Okay.
Because it's not all that so rampant in this way. But I know that if it is mass produced, those in animal production will be my customers.
Okay.
So my target customers are not the layman on the street that we consume it. No, those that are into animal production. That we need source of protein. Yes, okay. That's the reason why I try to learn it and then to mass produce it.
Okay. I appreciate you once more for inviting us to teach you on this palm weevil larvae production. You said earlier that a professor. Which institution currently are you?
I'm in Federal University of Technology.
Federal University of Technology. So, Owerri.
Yes.
So currently we are in Federal University of Technology, Owerri, and this is our client, a father, that have called us to teach him on this palm weevil larvae production. So we are using this means to encourage those that is in the civil service to try and invest in other things, because livestock production is really a sector that can eliminate poverty from our country. If you look at Nigeria currently, one thing that is lacking in Nigeria is food. Food is not sufficient to feed the booming population. So I really appreciate our father here that have took the pain to learn it, and it's my prayer that he will succeed in the business. He will succeed now in learning it. It's not just learning for his own self, it's learning for the generation, because this livestock palm weevil is going to extinct. So we learning it together, we knowing it, we are going to help in building back the economy of Nigeria. So thank you very much, sir. So your name again, sir?
Professor Campbell.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you, sir.
You're welcome.